RapidSite AI Review. 7 crucial things you need to know. Best just released AI software. RapidSite AI has just been released, and it's making waves as one of the best AI software tools out there. If you're thinking about using it to build websites faster, smarter, and more efficiently, there are a few things you absolutely need to know. Stick with me until the end of this video, because I'm going to reveal everything you need to decide if this is the tool for you, including how you can try it out completely free. More on that in a bit. RapidSite AI is all about speeding up website creation. Whether you're a marketer, a small business owner, or a content creator, you've probably faced the hassle of designing and maintaining websites. That's where RapidSite AI comes in, by streamlining the entire process and automating a lot of the heavy lifting. You're going to see how it can shave hours off your usual workflow while still delivering professional, fully functional websites. But before you dive in, let's go over the critical points you need to know. First, RapidSite AI is incredibly intuitive. This is one of the easiest AI website builders I've seen in years. You don't need to know coding to use it, and the drag and drop interface allows you to customize designs with ease. Even if you're a beginner, you'll find this software's layout approachable and user-friendly. It's designed to let you create complex sites without the technical barriers. If you're overwhelmed by code-heavy website builders, this tool eliminates that frustration. Second, it delivers high-quality design templates that are customizable with just a few clicks. These templates are modern and built with conversion in mind, which is a huge deal if you're trying to build a website that not only looks great but also converts visitors into customers. You won't have to start from scratch every time, which means you can launch faster and optimize your site for better user engagement. Now, what sets RapidSite AI apart from other builders is its AI-driven content optimization. It's not just about building a site, it's about making sure your content works. The AI helps optimize your website's content for SEO, ensuring that your site gets the attention it deserves on search engines. It goes a step further by providing insights into your audience's behavior, so you can make data-driven decisions to improve engagement and conversion rates. Another huge benefit is the built-in marketing tools. RapidSite AI isn't just a website builder. It includes features for email marketing, lead generation, and automation. This integration lets you turn your site into a high-conversion marketing machine right from the start. You can manage everything from one place, without jumping between different platforms. Performance-wise, RapidSite AI is a powerhouse. It automatically compresses and optimizes images, ensuring fast loading times for your site, which is critical for SEO and user experience. And with its cloud-based hosting, you don't have to worry about slow server issues or uptime. It's all optimized for speed and performance out of the box. One of the best things about RapidSite AI is the scalability. As your business or project grows, so can your site. Whether you're looking to add new pages, integrate third-party apps, or scale your infrastructure, RapidSite AI has the tools to handle that growth smoothly. Lastly, let's talk about the pricing. RapidSite AI offers a free trial, so you can explore the features risk-free before making any commitments. This is a great way to test if it fits your needs without any pressure. And if you decide to go all in, the pricing structure is transparent and affordable, offering different plans to match various business sizes. If you want to check out RapidSite AI for yourself, you can start your free trial by clicking the first link in the description below. It's a great way to see if this tool fits your website building needs without any strings attached. If you've tried a bunch of AI tools like I have, you know that not all of them deliver on their promises. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and after seeing RapidSite AI in action, I can confidently recommend it for anyone looking to build professional websites quickly and efficiently. Check out the description for my recommended AI software, where you can get free trials for tools I personally trust. But remember, RapidSite AI might just be the best one for those looking to get a high-quality website off the ground in no time. Thanks for watching.